There are many types of plastic resins we use every day to make clear plastic parts. Examples of common resins include acrylic, polycarbonate, ABS, or PE. Right after molding, some clear parts can be used for various kinds of view screens, light pipes, cases, covers, and many other common household items that need to be at least semi-transparent. But increasingly, plastic resins are being used as substitutes for glass, where a higher level of optical purity is called for. These types of applications include plastic lenses, face shields, medical and scientific optics, or high-end consumer goods where perfect surface finishes are essential for product success. In these cases, ordinary molding may not be good enough, so we need to find an additional surface finishing process. That's where vapor polishing comes in. What is vapor polishing? Vapor polishing is a method for smoothing out certain kinds of plastic resin material at the microscopic level. It's done by using the volatile gas of Weldon-4 solvent, which is highly reactive with the surface chemistry of clear plastics like acrylic and polycarbonate. How does it work? First, and this is very important, it's essential that you have an environmentally controlled and sealed workspace. This is not a process that can be applied haphazardly. Anyone using Weldon-4 solvent must be wearing the proper positive air pressure respirators at the bare minimum. In your controlled workspace, Weldon-4 solvent is first heated to the boiling point. The resulting solvent vapors are then sprayed across the workpiece. This causes the resin to dissolve at the surface, filling in minute scratches and voids. Basically, the material flows and smooths out, but it quickly dries and solidifies once the vapor is removed. To get the most out of the process, the workpiece should normally be hand sanded or machine polished to remove any major surface roughness or irregularities. One of the great advantages of vapor polishing is that it can reach down into areas that human fingers cannot, so even recessed features can be vapor polished and their surfaces greatly improved. When done correctly, using the right procedures and equipment, vapor polishing poses no harm to the environment. In our facility, all vapors are pulled through a 3-stage carbon filter, so no contamination or fumes are released to the atmosphere. Vapor polishing is a fast process with a very short lead time. Once the vapor is applied, the target piece is noticeably clearer within a few seconds. Longer exposure to a given area is not necessary, so even large pieces can be finished in minutes. The surface film solidifies immediately and is ready for use. Vapor polishing works with polycarbonate, acrylic, ABS, PEI, and polysulfone plastic. It can be very cost-effective, especially for complex shapes that might be impossible to polish by hand or would be very time-consuming. We hope you found this information useful. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon, and we'll see you next time.